In this tutorial we will see how to create a 3D object. So we will take this 3D object that we want to create in AutoCAD. So at first we have to create a rectangle of 118 by 44. So we will switch to AutoCAD. Then at first, now this is currently 2D drafting and annotation workspace. So we will switch to 3D modeling. Then we will delete this tool palette. We don't want this. Then select, go to this 3D navigation and select Southeast Isometric. Then for this UCS icon, say UCS icon command to then say no origin, so it will be shifted to left side. Then we have to create a rectangle of, so just take a line command and create a rectangle of, just say F8 ortho on. So you want to create a 118, just pan it, just escape zoom all, then line, again from end, 44, 118, 44. So this rectangle is ready. Then we will press pull this by a thickness of 16. So we will say press pull 16. We will give the height of 16. Height of 16. Then we will just say here conceptual visual style view so that we can view it in 3D environment like this. So next work we have to do is will be to create this circle. It is of 44 diameter. So it will be at 22 from this point. So we will just copy edge. We will just copy the edges. So here is copy edge. We want to take the reference. So copy edge. This edge we will copy. Enter base point direction 22 distance. So escape to come out. So here we will create a circle of 22 radius. So circle 22 radius. Enter. So this circle has been created here. Then internal circle is of 16 diameter, that means 8 radius. So we will create one more circle of 8 radius. So this circle is also created. So we don't want this outside corner, so we will just remove it using press pull. So just say press pull, go inside the portion. This portion I don't want, so I will just click it, go down, cross the thickness and click. So that portion will be cut. Same way on this side also, press pull, take this portion, click, go down, just pan it up, go down and click. So it will be cut. Now next we want to create this internal hole. So for that again we will use the press pull, go inside, take the internal hole portion, but it is taking only half. So we will just delete this line, horizontal line, so that internal hole portion can be just delete. So we'll just press pull the internal hole, press pull, take the internal hole, click, go down and click. So this portion, this side is ready. Then after that, I don't want this circle, so I will just delete this circle. Then from here, this portion is there. So it is 24 and again that circle is there. So I will just create a line of 24 length from quadrant of this, of length 24. Then that is of 16 and again 24 up to this quadrant. Okay, line from the end of this up to this quadrant. Just click, so that line will be drawn. Escape. Then on that side I want one more circle of 8 radius, so I will say 8. Circle is created. Now here again I don't want this internal line, so I will just erase it. Erase. And I don't want this internal circle, so I will just trim it. So TR is the shortcut. These are the cutting edges. So for easy selection I will shift to 2D wireframe, so that selection will become very easy. So I will just say trim this line and this line. Between this line I want to trim this circle. Enter, click. So it has been trimmed. So I will again shift back to conceptual. Then I will again use the press pull command to remove the remaining portion. So I will go inside, then zoom minus, then come down and click. So that portion is ready. I don't want this circle, so I will erase it, delete it. Just select the circle and delete. So in this way this portion is ready. Below lines I don't want it. I will say erase, and I will erase these below lines also. Okay, in this way this portion is ready, front portion. Now we will now next is this vertical portion. So for this vertical portion the width is 48, and 48, that means 24 from center upward. So that rectangle should be of then 40 minus 16, that is 420, 24, 24 plus this 24, that means height is again 48 height. So again we will create a rectangle of 48 by a square of 48 by 48, that means. Now this square is vertical, so we have to change our UCS. For changing UCS we will go to view, then go to this UCS, named UCS combo control in coordinate section, click on unnamed and just select front because I want to work on front plane. So this is a front plane. So just create a rectangle. Suppose I will go to home, rectangle, give first point. So I want to create a 48 by 48 rectangle. Right click, dimension. So width is 48, height is 48. Enter on this side. So again I will press pull this portion. So I will just say press pull. Give a thickness. So the thickness in this case is 12. So I will give a thickness of 12. So this portion is ready. Then again at the center I have to create a circle. So I will just say circle C. Then I will track the center point, mid of this and mid of this line, vertical line, and I will go inside. So it will give me exactly center. Then I will give a radius of 24. And again inside a circle is there, that is of 20, that is 10 radius. So again I will say circle 10 radius. Okay, so in this also these top corners are not required, so I will just press pull and remove them. Press pull and go backward and click. Again press pull, just go backward and click. So those are removed. Then internal hole is also not required, so again I will say press pull, go inside hole, click and go backward and click. So that is has been removed. So I just have to copy this there now. So I will say copy. So I will use a standard copy command. So copy, select object, enter, then give the base point. So this corner I will take as a base point so that it can be placed on that corner. So it has been placed on this corner, and same need to be placed. Okay, for that base point should be different, so we will just cancel it here. Then using shift and ruler we will just orbit and we will copy, we will erase this, or we will move this. Just I will give M for move, select object, enter. So this point is the base point. This should be placed on this corner. So I will just say other corner, ortho, so that it will, okay, on this endpoint it should be placed. So I will just click there. So it has been placed there. I don't want these lines, I will erase it. Enter. So now this object and these two objects are different. So to merge them into one object, I will use the union command. So here is the union. Just after giving union, just select all the three objects and press enter. Then in this way, then just to see in standard, go to southeast isometric, so that we can view it properly. So in this way, this object is ready. So we will stop here. Thanks for joining.